everyone, I bought two Cocopeat blocks like this. So I'm preparing the soil for planting the seedlings that have grown big, which is the tomato and brinjal and chili seedlings. So it's just that you can see that it's expanding. I'm just pouring water here and it will just soak it all up. I filled this thrice now, and it will slowly start expanding and creating soil like this. So once a bucket load is prepared, I'll transfer them to grow bags such as this, and I'm gonna put the seedlings maybe sometime next week, but I'm gonna keep the pots ready beforehand because this is a long task. So the Cocopeat block that I showed you of the size yesterday, I could expand it to create 3 grow bags full with Cocopeat. I've not mixed it with any soil. So you can see this huge grow bag of this big size is currently filled with Cocopeat mixture that is mixed with water. These 2 bags and these bag is filled with Cocopeat. I had enough left over from that. This, see, the tub is still filled with Cocopeat, and I just had a block of this size, and from that I could create 3 grow bags, and this is still left. Apart from that, I've also put some in rest of my plants, a little bit here, a little bit here, and a little bit here, along with fertilizer. So you see, so just that Cocopeat plot could expand to such a huge amount of soil. Ideally, what I should have done is to mix this with well-treated soil that is also available on Amazon or any of the local nurseries, and mix it with a little bit of compost and perlite. But as due to the lockdown, I didn't have any one of them, and I couldn't mix it with any one of them. So I just had to make do with what needs to be done, because my seedlings were getting stunted growth a little bit. We're curling up and we're becoming root bound. This brinjal plant or eggplant became root bound. I broke some of the roots of this tomato seedlings, but I think they're doing well. And this is the chili seedling that I told you about. I have another set of little bit of peas and spinach and coriander. This is the spinach and methi section, and this is the coriander section. So this is all about the veggies and how to make do of the best situation. I know a lot of you might not have a Cocopeat block, but I always keep a reserve of Cocopeat block in case I run out of soil or I need to top up the soil, because it's not always possible to go out and run for soil or get the delivery on time. So it's useful there.